Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to ISEA School System Pindike. This is our 12th lecture of math and it is for class prep. First of all, take your book Maths for Early Learners and then open your book page number 42. Here is the unit number 9, subtraction. So today we will learn more about number of subtraction. We have learned this unit in lecture number 11. So let's take a short review of previous lecture. In lecture number 11, we have less one number from different numbers, for example 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and after subtraction we have written our answer in this box. And on page 41 we have less 1 from 8 and 2 from 7. Then we have written our answer here, and this was your home task. You have to color the correct box, so I hope you have done that. Now read this, write the answers. जवाब लिखें. First we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then we will read it. Take 5 away from 6 is, these are total 6, and take away means subtract or less. Take 5 away, so we will subtract 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Now take 5 away from 6 is, here are total 6, we have taken away 5 and remaining is only 1, so we will write our answer here 1. This is our answer. Now second, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Take 4 away from 9 is, here are total 9s and we have to take away 4. 1 2 3 4. Now remaining are 1 2 3 4 5. So our answer is 5, so we will write our answer here in this box 5. Now read this. The minus sign means take away or subtract. This is minus sign. This means take away or subtract. कम करना या लेस करना. Count and write the answers. First we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here are total 7, so we will write here 7 and we have to less 4. 1 2 3 4. We have taken away 4. Now remaining are 1 2 3. So our answer is 3. Write your answer here 3. And read this, 9 minus 6. First we will count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and take away 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Remaining are 1 2 3. So our answer is 3. So we will write our answer here 3. So student, we have done page number 42. I hope you understood it. Now look at page 43. Draw lines to match the pictures to the sums and the sums to the correct answer. Sums mean question. आपने क्वेश्चंस को पिक्चर्स से मैच करने के लिए लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है एंड द सम्स टू द करेक्ट आंसर. देन आपने क्वेश्चन को आंसर से मैच करने के लिए लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. फॉर एग्जांपल दीज आर सम्स 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here are total 6 and we have to less 4. Now take away 4. 1 2 3 4. So what will be our answer? 1 2. Our answer is only 2. Look at this. This is our answer. So we have to match these dots. That is our answer 1 2. Okay. Second, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 है. And then we have to less 4. 1 2 3 4. Now remaining are 1 2 3 4. Our answer is 4. Now look at your answer on this page. Yes, this is 4. So 1 2 3 4. This is our answer. So we have to match the pictures to the sum and the sums to the answer. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now last, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total 7 aeroplanes and we have to less 4. 1 2 3 4. We have taken away 4. Now remaining are 1, 2, 3. So this is our answer. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So this is our answer, that is 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we have to match the sum with the answer. Look at here, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. We have drawn a line here. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. We have drawn a line here. And 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So we have drawn this line. So students, this was our 12th lecture of math and it was unit number 9, subtraction. Today we have completed our first term task. Now practice these all pages from 1 to page number 43 and prepare yourself for first term exams. Okay. Now your work on notebook is write forward counting from 1 to 50. You have to write counting from 1 to 50 on your notebook. Second, write backward counting from 30 to 1. You have to write backward counting on your notebook from 30 to 1. Suppose 39, 38, 30. You have to start from 30, 39, then 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 21 and up to so 1. Now question number 3. Make two number lines from first 1 to 10 and second 1 to 15. You have to make two number lines on your notebook like this. Make your own number line from 0 to 15. आपने 0 से 15 आपने 1 से 15 तक नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है and then 0 to 10. You have to make two number lines. This is 0. So you have to make two number lines from 0 to 10 and then 0 to 15. Now question number 4. Addition any 5 questions. You have to solve any 5 question of addition on your notebook. Subtraction question number 5. Subtraction any 5 questions. You have to write any 5 question of subtraction on your notebook. Students, after completing first term, I hope you can do this. Now a note for you. Write these questions on your class notebook in good handwriting carefully. आपने इन क्वेश्चंस को अपनी नीट नोटबुक पे लिखना है, लेकिन आपने अच्छी राइटिंग करनी है और अपनी नोटबुक का ध्यान रखना है. सेकंड, डू नॉट डैमेज योर नोटबुक. आपने नोटबुक को बिल्कुल भी डैमेज नहीं करना. So this was our lecture number 12 and today we have completed our first term. So take care.